Hello Hlume. Sifuna i-remesh. Somnyama ufuna i-remesh no ubani lo kuthuma ema-remeshini? Mpatla ditaba. Tabs, mpatla ditaba.
Oh,
Fine. We'll add ukamuso.
sengicabangile.
Yeah.
Sure.
Excellent, Jayam.
Hola.
Hi.
Hello,
Uqeda
hello.
ukuyivusa wena usashisa namanje ngikushisa.
Sidlala i-quiet game, budina.
All right.
500 quiet
Manje
game, right?
wakhuluma isiZulu manje lana.
We'll add Kamuso. It's fine, guys. Everybody, we tap.
Guys, we tip, we share, okay? 500 quiet game. You know these guys, they
Let's
talk
tap
like
together, guys. They saying it's a 500 quiet
they
game.
talk like
Guys, yeah,
they're
tap us, yeah,
females.
tap us, yeah, tap us, yeah,
Guys,
tap
can
us,
you
yeah,
humble,
tap us.
Let me
especially
tap and
Tabo
share,
Ah, guys,
Crystal
guys.
I
is
love
lying
the
to people
taps.
that, oh, I
We're
will
gonna tap
be,
namhlanje.
I will
Ah,
be
yeah, yeah,
15
yeah, yeah,
0,
yeah, yeah,
15
yeah,
0 where?
yeah.
Where?
Ah, the taps are on fire, chat.
Alright.
I see.
Thank you for that, me.
Yeah, my sweetie. Guys, your first gift times 3, guys. Tip, 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 tip.
Tap.
Oh, Lord,
Thank
please.
you, Chachazi.
It's not
Thank you for
nice.
the rose there.
Let's
Guys,
do
Let's
come
go,
on,
good.
guys.
guys.
Let's
We
do
have
this time too, guys. Let's go.
GM
It's a 500 quiet game.
Guys, on the triple.
Let's tap
Yeah.
the screen and share the live.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Asenze ngathi yatap.
Guys, on the triple. Okay, guys, we tap and share the live, right? No problem, guys. Don't worry. Early success. Guys, don't miss the speed now. Why are we missing speed? Bianca, thank you. Bianca, are you good? Bianca, it's my first time seeing you. I did not welcome you. Welcome to the Unfiltered family. I see you put a heart to me. I can see you are here. Welcome to the Unfiltered family, okay? You are very much welcome, dear, okay? Feel free. It's a very warm family.
Guys, kahle no. Ngithe out ngibathulise ngithole isikhathi nani. Ngithi mina guys asishaye kwasana. Ngithi konke la sikubambe ngama-washing, sikubambe ngama-chalk slam, sikuwahlaze emabondini. Into engiyichazayo. Uqeda nokufika la. Yo. Thank you Noluthando. Yo guys, 10 gifts. 10 gifts. 10 coin 10 roses kahle or i-rosa eli1. 1 rosa guys. 1 rosa. Good people. Thank you Noluthando. Ngicela uloku wafaka lama roses Noluthando. Ngicela uloku sibambile la. Mhlawumbe nanoma ngafika ku10. Thank you Noluthando. Thank you Noluthando. Sesinaso ispeed se times 3. Times 3 guys. S. Where is Pam? My chocolate. Uhlezi ufuna uPam. My chocolate, do something. Don't be worried about other people.
Ngiyazi uthanda ukukhuluma ubhizi sengicabanga what uyicabangayo lapho. I'm leading. Quiet game le bhuti. Ukuthule ebandleni. Ithini amen.
Amen.
Yes! Asiye! Isabella, welcome in. How are you? Are you good? Guys, everybody with the hi, Elsie Matota. What the hell? You guys will learn the hard way today. Hangmas. I'm leading. Guys, please follow our MVP, guys. If you're not following us, please follow our MVP. Ay, puti ngenzani puti asiye. Asiye. Ala. We appreciate you so much. But yo, I mean, go shine just. And what after today? We see Induku. Shaka, you good? Guys, don't you guys miss our welder? I think when he has those glasses, at least maybe something happens. Where are the glasses, bro? Aw, manje fanele engaka put indaba. Aw sengicabangile.
Hey,
Izinto.
tap.
Dabudi ubuyile futhi.
Hey.
Sayibambe njalo.
Hey, angisho
Hey.
sami ufuna ukungiboleka u-S.
Ay, shut up, I'm leading, idiot. Uphuza lapho.
Itiye.
Guys, thank you so much. And success, Carlos Tembisile, Mtiane, Bianca, Luca, Tsepi, Vito, Weisenheimer. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to claim your points for your heart me, eh? So that you can level up in the house. Oh, yes, guys. My network is fine. My network is fine, Nico. My network is fine. My network is fine, please. Guys, I love the taps. Everybody we double tap, guys. Everybody we double tap.
Guys, asithepeni guys.
Everybody we double tap, guys. First gift.
And again le nto kumele nisithulithe early wena no S. Cabanga 4 minutes yonke kumele sithule.
Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, everybody on the time. I see. Hey, mina gazi teji ya. Yes. Asi, ngeke sizwe ngabo. Ngeke sizwe ngabo. Alifuna ukuthula. Le mlomeni nizothola umlomo ibe inuki tu. Guys, let's appreciate S, guys. Everybody give him a follow, guys. Follow our MVP, guys.
Nathi kumele appreciate you
Hey,
S.
shut up, I'm leading. Idiot. Why phuza kuma coins wethu futhi? Awuyeke ukuphuza lelo tiye lapho. We are leading. Ubani laba? Ntokozo uShaka Zulu, uFifi uyamkhumbula mos ethi kumshaya 10. Kamzozi nazi imshaya 10. Hayi nje hawo. Bantu bethu nje lapha. Guys, can I get one donut?
Guys, one donut. Anyone who is qualified
Fifi, you good?
for the speed. Good people.
Mika McDonald, I'm seeing you as well. Let me welcome you to the Unfiltered. Welcome to the Unfiltered. Mika, I've seen you. You sent a heart to me. Welcome. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Guys, we tap, right? Hey guys, but the teamwork today, I don't wanna lie. Like I don't know. Comes also right lapho but kuyacabangeka.
Ngiyacabangela
Ngiyazange ngithi ungiphendule idiot. It's a quiet game, I'm leading.
Ale gapis lakho.
Yeah, uzoyifunda ke namhlanje quiet game ukuthi bizwa yini. Ngitheyeke ukuphuza kuma coins wethu. Beka lelo komiki lakho. The commissioner ka 19 Paul. Idiot, play the game. Tabo, scroll through, drop the treasure box. Okay, comes also right. Okay. You see what the treasures are doing. I'm literally activating. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about. We are activating speed together, guys. The activation is beautiful. I'm funchela man. Uzobotshwa. No glove is needed. Yeah, they didn't activate. Just hold the gloves. We keep the gloves, guys.
Yeah,
I'm leading. Hello, activated. I'm leading though, Fifi. I'm telling him to keep quiet, Mos, isn't it? But you can hear me say he must keep quiet.
Keep quiet. If he talks, I'm talking. Period. I don't have time for bullshit.
Okay, I'm leading. Allah, I'm leading. Auntie, this is probably the 20th game now. Shut up there. Or in the funu dlani be 3 ngibe 1, maybe it will be a challenge. How? Angimazi yini inkinga yakhe futhi uFifi. Khuluma kakhulu nje. Hey, hey. Why can't you just be quiet? Why can't you just be quiet, Fifi? You must get out of here if you don't want to respect our coins, right? How? He's quiet. Can't you see he's quiet? Oh my God. Mina guys, no, she's not respecting our coins, guys. I'm leaving. Who the hell? We are just doing our pay. If you can't respect our coins, let us know. We'll leave. No problem. No problem. We'll leave, okay? No. He's been quiet, Moss. He doesn't know the quiet game. It's his first time playing. It's his first time playing quiet game. He doesn't know it. How? Guys, thank you so much. Hey, get paid. S, thank you so much. Thanos, thank you. Ntokozo, Ntiane, Tembisile, Mika, Bianca, Tsepi, Jem, Weisenheimer, Ghosty, thank you so much, guys. Okay, I'm a stun hammer, guys, as well 70s. So if you have a stun hammer now, you can drop the stun hammer right now. If on the stun hammer, you can drop a stun hammer. If you have a stun hammer, drop the stun hammers, guys. We don't use a stun hammer, guys, because I'm a stun hammer at disturb eat love. I'm a stun hammer at disturb eat love, ne? So if you have a stun hammer, just drop a stun hammer. All of them, drop them now.
Tula manje ngisalile kwamanje wona mahema.
Sibaheme nje le nhloko zabe inkulu.
Tula mahema man. Mahema lo.
If you have a stun hammer, drop a stun hammer, guys. Yeah, drop it. Let's hammer them.
Thank you, Hopi.
Steve, I'm leading. Steve, thank you so much for your first gift. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I see. Ala nizothula waya. Yabona, for as long as S ala kuleli khaya angakahambi. Cha nisazothula impela nothula waya ngifuna utshela mangana sinqo. Thiwa sithanda impi la. Oh, now there's Hemara comes also. You're calling Hemara. Hey, shut up, I'm leading. Ay. Guys, I don't know what I did to deserve this, guys, but damn, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. The love, guys, is beyond. Like, yo, hi, I see. Guys, we need 2 donuts. 2 donuts or 1 hand heart. If you have a hand heart, please drop a hand heart. If you have a hand heart, guys, drop a hand heart. We need 2 donuts to activate speed, right?
Thank you.
Success! I see success. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay, first victim number 1 has ran away now. Okay. One sekabalekile, guys. Guys, namhlanje nibalekisa abantu yazi. One sekabalekile manje. Indaba yokuthula akabele nyamaza ukuthi akathanda ukuthula vele. So kuba nzima nakumele athule. Kuba nzima. Ntokozo, thank you so much. Let's wait for the speed, Ntokozo. Let's wait for the speed, okay? Let's wait for the speed. Cinematic, uyaphila. Uphefumula ngenceba bhuti.
Times.
Allo. Guys, times 2. Cinematic, thank you so much.
Thank you, Andy.
Guys, as guys, like yo. Guys, I feel like at this point, ne.
Sabu.
Oh, now I'm leading.
Ubuza.
Uyofubuza.
Manje mina ngimelanga ngibonge la. Awelanga ngibonge. Mina ngibe yinje ngana tanki mina.
Why ukuhlekisa kaso kanti nje ayami? Wakuhlekisa kanje. Ufuna ukubonga, ayibonga mntaka baba.
ngifuna ukubonga Nkosi yami obukisa ubaka lana ukuthi basangiphetha abakalahla ithemba nabo Andy. Thank you very much. How kuningi
Guys, you guys can
ngifuna
motivate your
ukubonga,
people. If you can motivate your people, okay?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
I'm saying ngiphelwa izinto engazisho phela. Like it's not
Khuluma
fun.
uyi-one,
Every time I'm
uyalawula
eating, you
la.
keep quiet. No, you guys come on. No.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Uma useduze kakhulu. Bebangafuni ngikhuluma kusiyimi uThapha.
Also laba ngidlala nawo bathi badlala i-quiet game. Wena ngiyazi awujwayela ngi-quiet game kanami. Wena ufuna ukuzikhulumela nje kahle kamnandi, ngiyakwazi. Uziphuzele netiyo lakho ube right.
Hey.
Ngiyakwazi.
Okay, namhlanje ngikubonile ngiloku kubona uhamba usha abantu. Ngibhekile.
Manje uyenzani nangibhekile kanje? Uyangifuna.
Angizokubamba.
Guys, just push with donuts. Le ukokam uzozwathi bafuna ukusniper ngiba-understand.
Thank you Kisawubaka.
Guys, we push with donuts. We push with
Thank you,
donuts.
Kisawubaka.
Yes, like mina ngidlala ama-donuts. Uzohamba ngeswan. S! Oh my God, S. What the hell, bro?
Thank you Kisawubaka. Thank you very much Andy. Hopi.
First, now they dumped me. They left me with.
Now I'm leaving you. Guys, baloku bazenzela labantu. Angeke ngisaye kuye awuthi nathi sozitika ngabanye angeke. Uthini
doing smokeless.
I added
Okay.
wanna play
It's a
T.
silent game.
silent game.
Yeah.
Hi, do you guys know this guy?
I know him. Who doesn't know him?
I mean, I found out the other day. We were going on my tips,
Yeah.
but now it's no.
Accept Anon.
I did. Maybe it's my
You
network.
did.
Let me send the match.
Okay, send the
Yes,
match.
yes.
Then let me withdraw. Hi, Christy.
I-
How are you doing, my love? Are you good? You can't send the match. What are you sending?
It was take the stage. I don't know.
Ngicela ukuhamba nawe. Awungiboleke wena. Or it was that the girl.
Yeah, maybe Leanne.
Kevin, now accept Namanja.
Futhi. Kanti ngiyaxolisa bakuthi angazi kwenzakalayo. Awujo.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, there you go. Alright, guys, can you please? Okay.
Hi, Bofi. Wahamba kanjani?
Guys, can you please?
Christy, are you good? How was your day? Mina bafethu angifuni ukuqamba manje sengizihlalele nje smoke asleep.
The first gift is doubles.
2 guys. ×2. Thank you Andy. Ne. Thingithule vele, thingithule.
Thank you so much, awesome.
Thank you, Christy.
Silent le.
Yes, it is.
Hayibo. Salad mawufika ku
Oh,
500.
wow, it's not a quiet game.
Hayibo,
Guys.
ufuna ukusithulisa ngala cent lawo wakho. Hayibo,
Okay.
kamu.
No bengitshela umuntu la skis Thabanga.
Cabanga nje ayikamu. Sojaha ukusithulisa.
Thank you S. Thank you S abathule thulana nenze ngathi ngiyathula. Yazi ngiyangikwatisa manje lokho nikhuluma vele. Yazini. akuthuleke angifuni nokubuza uphefumula 4 impumulo ibuyele emuva kwespeaker uyaphefumulela yes yeah enothula igame yonke manje nothula igame yonke thank you S thank you very much hey Nkosi yami kwanalokucwayiza yiloko engingakuzwisisi ngisawubaka thank you very much in one rose yes target reached ningazincengeli lapho hey kwathi ukuthuleka times 3 guys times 3 abothabang laba akumelanga bathula ichance lutho game yonke 3 minutes yonke mele kuthuleke la yeah thank you Kisawubaka China Andy thank you S thank you very much S awungaze ngahamba nawe Nkosi yami yeah hey Nkosi yami ngizophefumulayo endakangiphefumuleli kamnandi kazubani cause somshawese makalo aphefumula lana Nelisi sagqilaza la sizolawula la sizophatha la nala ma hand sign lawa awafuneki noni man awuyela ngani indo kuhlala la hayi manje ngimbamba yazi ngiyambamba nini S uzobungatholakali wena uzobungekho mangimbamba imbambe mangithi ngizoba hayi namhlanje ngathi akabambeki kunini ngithi ngiyamspire hayi uyagqilaza thank you Nelly nge-hard me guys ama-hard me guys singakhohlwa ama-hard me ngathi angahama nalamandla eyeke thabanga kunzima ukuthi uthule yabona ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ukukhuluma yazi since ngifikile la ndoko niyakhuluma ngazi nikhulumani lengaka nayazi ukuthi Facebook yawenza ama live mele niyozama lapha ku Facebook mhlambe kubo Instagram ubaba ngibaphethe la thuleke sindo hayi face your front futhi ngifuna nibone
how are you doing?
Thank you so much.
Are you good?
Thank you so much, Ghosty. Thank you.
Actually, tell me
So much, Mama. Thank you.
thank you S thank you very much S
And guess
Thank you,
what?
Paul. Thank you,
Kisawubaka,
Lisa.
I was
China.
looking for her, and then after
Thank you,
that, she
S.
disappointed me.
Hey.
She said, hey,
Ngaze
her
ngathulisa
electricity
abantu
went
nami,
off. And when I look for you, you were not there. You were nowhere to be found. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys
Christy.
so
Thank
much.
you so
Let's
much.
tap.
Guys, everybody who tapped, thank you.
Let's join.
Thank you so much. Let's tap, everybody. Please tap, guys. Lady K.
Guys, not about the Japan. How?
Guys, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I thought Naniwa Kolon. Christy, tackle gift for the donuts. Thank you so much.
times
Christy.
3 guys
Thank
times
you.
3
Yeah, they're crazy.
buy one get 2 free
Thank
discount
you so
yo pep deals
Guys, please do
Yeah,
please just
like
write down in the
I-
comments.
you are-
Thank you and like
yeah,
just type
I-
it.
thank you and ngedonyathi
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Yabo.
Abathule. Thank you
guys so
S.
much.
Thank you S.
Thank you.
Thank you S. S. Thula akuthuleke la kule khaya. Into engayivisisi ukuthi lokho kubanja bangumsindo face of front nibona iscore. Lokho nijeqeza ngazi nibhekani emaceleni. Hey. Akhuluma lapha yakhuluma uya explainer ngazi explainani ngabo. Yazi. Nazo ke yazi uthule kamnandi thabang man. Yeah, face of front kanje. Yeah. Azini ekuthulekile ku peaceful. Senfile ngisemoshwari lapho. Siyababeka kule weekend. Siyobafihla. Siyabancwa. Okay guys, 3 roses. 3 people, 3 roses. Walezi into thank you 2 more. 2 more. Niyokhulunyelwa yimi kubantu beni. 2 more. 1 more. Thank you Andy, 1 more. Nokhulunyelwa yimi la. 1 more. Thank you Mulawuthi. Nanoma bangawatholanga bona it's fine. Ulungile. Yana man. Ungakhali noni. You can be alright. Ngithe thula angishongo ukuthi nikhale ngitheni kuthuleke kuphela. Do you have a kid? No, I don't have a kid. Yini khona umntana ombonile ofana nami? Thank you Andy. Times 2 guys gele. Times 2. Bayothula igame yonke 2 minutes yonke kuyobe kuthuleke kamnandi la. Thank you Nqonqo. Kuyobe kuthuleke kamnandi la. Msindo nje, msindo less. And facing their front. Be scared guys. Be scared. Be scared. Thank you Andy. This is an ambush. Yeah, no man. Sabang wakhali. Wakhali. Sezophela le 1 minute 20 seconds uzothula ngayo. Awu. Sizophatha la. La sizele ukuzophatha kahle kahle. Into esizele la ukulawula. Hey, walezinto mina ngicela ungiyeke kuindaba zakho. Hamba uyi1. Yeah. Yabona kokethe spelling sakho usibeke wrong ke manje kuba ngathi ongakwazi ukufunda. Ekoketho. Yes guys ngizothanda ukuthi ngibonge uS, uAndy, uNqonqo nabantu abathephayo. Uthini kokethe nama I'm trying to understand la.
Thank you
Guys,
so much.
nasa isibhaxu nje ninaso nje isibhaxu.
Guys, thank you
Ramini,
so much.
ay mancane isingasiphapheli.
Phelele, thank you. Thank you
right
so much,
man.
Lady K. Thank you.
Ramini should come to Osa Nedi.
S.
Thank you.
Shout out to S. Thank you S. Andy, thank you. Nqonqo.
1K.
Nabantu abathephile. S, thank you very much. Very much.
Tabang no, but dabukisa mfethu. Oh.
I shut up, do it.
Bawubonga lapho kaze bawubonga.
Hey. Guys, let's all double tap together, please.
Guys, can you all please double tap on the screen? Let's all double tap, chat. Let's all double tap.
ngathi ngathola yena lokhu angithule nje abane echo yakhe.
Guys, can we tap?
Yo, times 3, I mean,
Someone on my taps already do 84.
thank you, Andy. Hey,
Kunama
times
tabs
3.
bethu lona.
Red, what's up?
US! Thank you, S! Yo!
Oh, Christy.
Thank you,
Thank you
S!
so much.
Akuthuleke
Oh my
Thabang.
God, guys.
Akuthuleke Thabang. Awu S, Nkosi yami. Thank you, S. Yo. Une right ukuthi mabathule. Abathule vele. Sizolawula la sizonika induku. We are here to discipline. Kahle. Sizolawula la into esizele ukuzophatha. Thank you, Palisa. Hawu Nkosi yami. Athi sibone ke sizama ukubabona ukuthi bazototova. Ukuthi banyonyoke baze ngakhona lapha yami. And face your front inibone kahle into engiyenza phambili. Face your front. Bigiri. 1 rosa or 10 roses. 1 rosa or 10 roses. Thank you, Palisa. Or 10 roses. Sichubeke nayo. Ukuthi bangabi nethemba. They must lose hope. Themba liphele. Amathemba ashabalala. Liphele tu. Thank you, Palisa. Thank you, Sima. Yeah. Oh, bayitholile mhlambe. Bayitholile. Abayithulanga. Nanoma bangayithola man, it's fine. It's fine, man. Times to thank you, Andy and Darren. Hey. Nkosi yami. Ngifuna bayenze isihlungu ngeweekend. Le viki nje limali liphele kabuhlungu. Ngifuna kubabe la, ngifuna sibashaye kubabe la. Kubabe la. Hey. Unyakaza kakhulu Thabang senzela umsindo. I-movement yakho is causing distraction to our ears. Moving too loud. You can be alright. Hayi, thuleke kamnandi. Khona la khala bonti ngathi sekukhona oshonile. Yeah. Invite ile nxasa atothula naye. I think singamthulisa athule naye. Ndikufuneka yena. Atothula. Mara how does it like bafila kanjani labantu bazokwazi ukuthi bathule like 4 minutes yonke mina ngikhoni. Hayi. Khululeka guys sesiyaphela isikhathi. Sokuthula. Makube nokuthula ebandleni. Twice.
Thank you so much, Christy. We are
Man,
trying.
thank you so much,
Okay?
Paul.
Thank you so much, King of Kings, Manaste. Thank you, Ompile. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Those are
S.
private.
Thank you very much, S. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Palisa. Darren, Sima. Thank you very much, S. Wow.
Thank you for the for the
Thank you so
heart
much,
and
guys.
welcome to the phone call.
Khona abantu abahleli emasofeni wenu guys lapha. Abasukume bahambe.
Kodwa
Abasukume
abahleli
bahambe.
bayakhomenta like kube uyazi bathini lapho ngokutshela ngase bakuthulise.
Guys, can you
Hayi
ask me?
suka, mina nginamsebenzi nawo. Abasukume bahambe ngoba abawenza umehluko la. Abasukume la umasofa bahambe.
Thank you so much, guys.
Abakwadi kanti
Thank you,
bona.
Christy.
Times 3 guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, the ice lena. Yo, yes. Oh, Nkosi.
Hambe. Thank you, S. Thank you very much, S. Nsima, thank you. Thank you, S. No, labo bantu abahleli kulama couch abayi-3 lama 3 now abasukume bathi ukuhamba. Ngoba bakwadi kanti bona bacasuka nini? Sibone ngabo. Siyalawula la. Bathulile bathi into abayaziyo ukukhuluma kakhulu. Uthi bathini? Noni. Yekela, safuna ukwazi. Nje abasukume, abathi kusukuma nje bayiqoqa. Oh, nisazothula. Ngophela nini 3 minutes yonke niloko nidlu shut up. Yabona manje zodlala nami mele ngithenga amaswidi ngoba kuzothuleka into enizoyimunya nje umlomo ube busy. Hey. Hayi ngeke kuthuleke ebandleni akuthuleke ebandleni. Kuthuleke kamnandi. Khona umuva too loud lapho ngizwa nje inoise engayithandisisi kahle. Yini manje okhopho lami lokhopho body. Yini? Bakuthembiseni manje lana njengoba sowubapha bazodlala ngawe. Sobapha ama Gmail kanje. Bakuthembiseni. Thank you Mulauti. One more. Thank you Pamela.
I updated it.
Thank you Kay.
Yeah,
Asilindeni times 2 guys before sizovela esitedele nje. Sizoflexa kahle ku times 2. Sibashiye ngendlela abazoyibona, ngendlela esimangaliso. We'll shock them.
manje
Bayasibambezela. Futhi sifike ku times 2. They are holding us back. Sesifikile ke athi sithi ukubukisa asibukise khani manje sithi ukubukisa athi the floor is ours basho kanjalo. The floor is ours. Hayi nangu uye lo. Hey nangu uthi yatotoba ufuna ukukhuluma ufuna ukuba namazwi.
nokushuda
Hey nangazibona ngathi useka namazwi.
Yeah, sathi ungathula manje siyabonga mfundisi. Hey bo khona ukukhuluma ngathi ngithandazela. Cha, musuphuza oros lapho. Kwaba amacoin awuphuzi, awusmile, awubonga ngifoko kahle kumele ngivala amehlo manje.
isithombe
Thandazela lapho mfundisi siyabonga. Thank you so much, Eric. Mel, guys, thank you. Ow! Cha, vala amehlo. Ngizokutshela ukuthi sikoshintshile uzoza futhi nawe uzotholakala. Thabangi. Indaba yakho ayikho yezwa. Ayikho. Yoko TikTok. Dayisi account ubona ukuthi wenza kanjani qhubeka kanjani nempilo futhi kusa uJanuary manje. Amaphansi because yabona nje isimo sakho ifoni kabheda, tab kabheda, coin kabheda, hairline kabheda. Yini uncenga lapho ufunda ngeni buka isikole? Musu kubamba umlomo lapho uyozinuka. Eric impisiphi. Hawu wena ngathi biza impundu
This beat is not love. Not love at all. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Angahambi loyo.
Guys, we don't
Loyo
have it love.
angahambi.
Christy, we don't have it love.
Angahambi.
I got you. Eric, thank you so much.
Imasifithi ukubonga Nkosi yami. Uba no demand match first so singakabonga.
Not love, man.
Thank you, Eric King. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now, Shuru, Paul, Oza, Deep Blouse. Thank you. And thank you to everybody that's following me.
And who else?
Thank you S, thank you Pamela, thank you K, thank you Mulauti. Guys, let's log
We don't
in.
have it love.
It's long.
Ish. Guys, can you all please tap on the screen chat?
Guys, can you please double tap?
Rosalia, welcome. How are you? Thank you so much. Guys, let's tap everybody. Okay, the first gift that we're going to drop is times 2, guys. The first gift that we're going to drop is times 2. Guys, times
Hey! Bangenzeni lana? Ungenzeni lo sis loyani lapha phezulu unoni?
Let's go. Hey, Tula lapho wena ka.
Yambona?
Hey!
Oh, hawu.
Hey, ungathi hawu kuma coins wami idiot. Bowuthini ngami? Hey wena noni bowuthini ngami? Oh, ungathi uthi awu kuma coins wami imali le. Now play your game. Where's your S now? Hey, it sounds wrong. Where's your S? It sounds very wrong. Guys, it sounds very. Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Oh my gosh, thank you. These people, they were undermining me as if like I don't have MVPs. I do have MVPs. Just that, Nje, just for today, Nje. I was hopeless for today. For today. You will see, tomorrow I will hoop all of you. Tell your ass to play. You guys know, man.
Ooh.
Please, two roses, okay? Please, two roses. And could
But hey, Tulala, shut up. Hey, when I know you. Hey, when I scaberesh. Shut up. Non dindwa. Tiki line. Oh, yes, the camera done back 10 besides 3K coins. Man, just about getting 3K coins by Hambil. Idiot. How? Guys, let's go on the double, guys. Everything we give this times 2. Everything we give this times 2, guys. Everything we give this times 2. Guys, everything we give this times 2.
Zing S uthini uchabanga uyachabanga wena lo ukhuluma ngo S lana ukhuluma usithusa ngalamazwi wakhe athusayo akuthuleke into engayithande akuthuleke. Thank you S, thank you ngeskuta sibalanda sibagijimise emzimeni. Thank you yini leyo itenkayo kuma coins wethu uyatenka wena. Ngibothe ukuthi uphelelaphi. Awuzami. Ungathukwa abakudubule lapha. No. Posting glove guys. Snake glove. Lingahlobisi.
This is a gun.
Yeah. Abakudubule.
No, guys, this is serious. Don't laugh.
Hey.
Don't laugh. This is serious.
Thank you S. Thank you S. Sbuda. Thank you Sbuda. D. Thank you. Baloko bathi in la abononi banga understand. Baloko bakhuluma into engazwisisi la. Ukuvula amehlo. Futhi vala amehlo nona. Ungivalisa amehlo wena. Vala amehlo. Vala amehlo. Awavaleke lawo mehlo lawo. Ngivala lawo manje. Uzotshelwa yimi mase ikhuleka. Uzwa ngani? Uzwa ngendlebe or ngamehlo? Yimi kuphela umsasazi la. Sakaza mina. Yimani. Uzwa uthini? Uzwa uthini? Kuthiwa lana uS uthi yena I1 nonke lapho anganislicer. Nezwa nalabantu abahleli emasofeni wethu laba ngithe abasukume bahambe basahleli namanje. I1 angaba slicer. Kungcono ngoba uyezwa. Baloku lana. Yeah. How dare you? Unoni. Walida nje kayi1 sekumele izwe lonke ligxume intazi iqabula amafu.
Oh, yazi kunomuntu omwrong.
Thank you,
Kunomuntu
S.
omwrong yazi.
Thank you,
Oh, thank you
S.
so much.
Thank you very much, S.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chi. Thank you, Lirato.
Deep blouse.
Thank you so much,
Roboka,
Mambu.
Kabelo,
Thank you so
Osa.
much, Kuti.
Sabaloku
Magic God,
Kabelo, welcome back. I saw you here yesterday.
Connie.
Isiloko
Thank you so
basidlawe.
much, guys.
Usashawa umoya, usathe ukujika le emaceleni.
Ubani oshoyo moya?
Besathe ukujika emaceleni njengoba unoni athi untaza.
Ima, whoa, why wasn't I to me like something cool me?
Guys, can we all please tap, guys? Riri, welcome. Let's all tap on the screen chat.
Oh, I can't get no tab. I can't. Guys, first get this doubles too. Yeah, I feel like at this point I should be saying, yo guys, please, let's work together. About two, thank you. That be level 12. Besayo J Connie. Namanje. Where is S? I'm looking for S. S. Thank you, S. You're wrong with this show, it's coming. You have a lot of people watching, they just be mindful of what you say, okay? I know that you must say thank you, but find something else to say. We're not about to grow. Okay. Then I got people and lapho because yabona ukuthi kule app useless. Indoda enjani to say bam. Ne-app fuck ngithi ngimute. Ungakhulumi kodwa ngimutile. Ya wena ngizochwayiza lapha. Ngathi mina phansi. Kwathi eJerusalem. Namacici. Yini kam uyibhantinti noma uzama ukuzenza ibhantinti qhubeka ukuthi mhlawumbe nenombolo or something.
Ubuye jela.
Anzange ngiphendule. Anzange ngiphendule. Guys, who's that guy? Is it Jack Mambaso? Lo, where I think we're actually generations efake inontuzane ileather. Ejolo ufake ileather jacket emnyama. Ngathi yena kodwa. Yes, guys, I think it's Jack Mambaso or something. Oh.
Thank you, S. Sbuda.
What's why do the ass? Because
Lale shh. Thuleke. Oh, uthi ngifana noGaddafi.
Hayibo.
Kwenziwani la? Okusala thuleke. Hayibo thabang nge10 coins lapho.
Hayibo thabang ne10 coins lapho yini kanti wadlala kancane so. Kade nesifakelo 6k lana amamoto say no akwena. Oh. Esithole bonus not the same. Ingakho nje so. But anyway, Yeah, bengisasho. Bandintindini. Bakhona TikTok. Mina guys bengazi nokuthi amafoni asangena lentuzana ejele. Apart from lokho network khona bayitholayo. Thaba ngisuka ku-10 bethi nawe udlale zama. Zama. Mina bengithi nje abantu abafana njengawe yabo. Bane. Njengokuputha amakhala shini. How you leave my house? I can't believe it. Exactly, bro. They pissed off Paul. They pissed off the wrong person. Yes, you know the person who's making you guys shut up. They sent the first clip today. Not even an hour ago. Bukan sent to Bega Panty Oros lapho wena. Who's thing at pain? Kunini. During the day we are streaming, we pose at the cap. It was shining. Suka ngesinyanisa nje. Musubhodla sis. Sinokumbhodla wakho thina. Sasingala ukuthi ubudla. Sothi ubudla wona nje ama-S la washoyo. Ubani osniper kodwa. Uye leyo. Hayi. Angisazi. Mina ngenza ngaba speechless kuyothula mina. Sniper ni quiet game. Siyabonga.
Come on,
Yeah.
bust that up the name. Bust that back up quiet game. Wow.
Thank you, S. Thank you, S.
Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you very much, S.
I'll give them up.
Content.
Patience. Thank you.
Thank you.
But guys, don't we end this?
Kuyakhuluma lokho. Kuyakhuluma. Thank you, S. Thank you, K.
Thank you so much.
Ngirato.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, can you all please tap on the screen? Chris, are you still here? TikTok is hiding people. I don't know why. Chris, are you still here? Vuisa, welcome back.
Can you just try love on speed when they speed? Just for fun. I know.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a great game as well.
Christy, Vuisa, thank you.
Yeah, he won, but then they sniped the game, so
Mngani Mamu, right?
he couldn't say anything.
Hey, shut up there. Shut up. We don't care. We don't give a damn.
Akathumela
Hey, ukhulumani when I check my bus.
network yami.
Ubana tho ukhulume kuma coins wami. Hayi bo. Athanda ngqondo bo. Hayi.
Ngalazi glove. This is what you do with the fucking glove. All day glove you're going to condom awuzwanga. Yes,
People
sis.
have got gloves.
Now. Thula lapho wena 600. Oh, hey.
It hit.
Yebo.
It hit.
Yes.
Huh?
Yebo. Smoother. Hey, bathi yazi bathini? Bathi lethana ama-CV uzonqasha u-S. Bathi lethana ama-CV niyeke le niyenza ngoba ingathi ayindawo. Basho kanjani? Basho kanjani? Yes. Sibuda. Hey, bathi Fusek kube kanye nje. Bathi ufusek. Yo. Another rose. Thank you guys. Yeah, ngifuna kuthuleke la. Angithandi lokukhuluma. Uthi kwenze njani wena sisi? Leli bigiri lami leli bigiri ngalinika umkhulu wami uthi lenze njani? Womile kukumanje. Now uyabhora Thabanga, awusabhori. Ufika ku-1000 occasionally. Wena ke sakhuluma noni ugcinileke lapho kuphela kwakho. Ila ugcina khona. Siyazi nje ukuthi wena kuwe masibamba u2K sicedile ngawe. Sesikungcwabile. Letha ama-CV ngizowadlulisa kuSibuda. Athi kwa-checka kahle. Kahle. Sonifaka ngomkhushushu asikho isidingo sama-CVs onenzela iplan kuphethe yena uSibuda. Nithule kamnandi. Ungaphefumuleli uyasinda Thabang uphefumulela i-mic la. Hey. Uthi yenzani ibonus akuthule. Lo mlomo lo awubambe kanje usihame ngawo. Hey. Hey.
Bro, hey, glove. Most of my time, Louis. Shoot why? Hey, bro.
Akathule sibuda angazi ukhulunyiswa yini aqala nokufika kuleyo 16 loya angazi yini emenza ukuthi ashwanshwathe. Thank you Sibuda King. Yazi into bengisayichaza ukuthi ama CV lethana ama CV ngizothola umsebenzi wangempela qasheke. Thabang uyabhora man, yazi uyabhora. Thank you S. Uboni umntwana lo uqeda ukuzalwa uzalelwa la. Usimba waphuma la. Thank you S. Abakhuluma lokho bakhuluma. Shh. We are flabbergasted, eh? We are shocked. Ngamangali. Hey, urolela bana mehlo. Your network, bro. Ne. Thuleka mnandi uThabang. Uthula njengoThabang. Mfundisa ukuthula Thabang. Ngoba niyafana nje. Thank you S. Thank you Spuda. Thank you very much. Thank you Spuda. Thank you Spuda. Angazi didn't work.
Level 17.
Futhi.
Brother, can
Thank
you
you,
please
Chief.
send a heart me?
Thank you,
That's the
Kay.
only gift I'm ever gonna ask from you. Just a heart
Thank you
me.
K. Thank you
please.
G and Lavas.
Bro, now let me teach you how to play.
Let me
You
draft
see the
that
first
football
speed, it multiplies the gift
I'm a
by
plain
2
one.
or by 3, depending if there is. And then how about it's Iman
Uyamazi uThabanga
and then
nje.
the second you see now, only the first gift that you're saying is gonna multiply by 3. Whatever you're saying is gonna be 3 times. And then there are bonus missions. Just read what it says there. Then you play on the speed, but then just play on the
Guys,
speed.
can you please out
Hey,
tap,
bro,
guys?
it was a
I'll
rose.
tap on
Now
the
it's
screen,
like
okay?
I don't know what the fuck it was. I don't know what the thing is, bro. But then yeah, just try play on speed and gloves also, right? Oh, a glove. If there's a glove, like right now there's a glove, there's a 30% chance that whatever you send is gonna multiply by 5. Well, guys, but then tap, Nanke, I understand. Like, yo, that was crazy, bro.
Network yani.
From first gift to 17.
Times 3.
You know, Hambilo
No,
S.
also it doesn't. Even if you tap on it, even if you tap on the glove, it's still gonna
Thina sithanda
work.
ukubukela
But
nini?
then anyway,
Ngibukele.
you can tap on the glove, then you select a gift. Kamokusala mfethu ushaye level 17 futhi nakhona ke bekwe level 12 before akushaya. Hold on. I gave you a game, bro. Mbona siyajuluka manje.
Asimsadi.
Nathi asikusabi. Nathi asisabi.
Sovele ngikuthulise cabanga engakapheli ne 3 minutes ukuthule early. Uyayifuna leyo?
Amaglove asebenzile sharp. Amaglove asebenzile.
Awubachofoza
Fine.
uchofoza Thabang. Thank you K. 3.
Guys, can you please have 3 rolls and sweet?
2 more. 2 more.
Thank you so much, friend of mine. Boga sadanga hat me namhlanje. That's what I did. Say I have a hat me guy too.
Thank you K.
Why you not on my live during the day?
DJ, hi, thank you for having me.
Thank you Lerato.
That person is still there.
Oh, it was yesterday. All right, my friend.
Why are you laughing at me? Since angadlala i-quiet game and siyabasa. Yo. Uyajula ukama, ungajuluki, relaxa.
Ah, la bathi ama-sleeves, roll up your sleeves. Uyabona into engizoyenza ke. S. Buda.
Guys, throw it up on
King.
speed.
Yazini. Thank you. Akuthuleke man. Ubani lo ongibangela umsindo ngikhuluma? Kusakaza mina manje, ngimi umsakazi. Thula. Hawu. Thuleke kamnandi. Nasi speed guys, nasi speed. Speed lesi. Simnandi kakhulu ispeed. Okay. Bazizwa amandla. Spuda. Thank you Spuda. Izandla zidlule ekhanda. Izandla zibekwa kanje, izandla zidlule ekhanda. Hawu. Nabo ke bayaliphuza iglove labo. Nkosi yami. Kanti badlala kanjani? Asibaqhofoze ngamahema nje. Thank you Spuda. Thank you very much. Wathuleka kamnandi la. Into enginyanyisayo ngoThabang uphefumulela la ulokuthi ugcwele iskrini la. Uyaphefumulo. Hey, uyobonga le dala. Then khona Stone and Faith. Angiqomoza yena uThabang la ngoba uhlobisile nje uyiblompoti. Yeah. Akwazi ukuthuleka kamnandi man. Kuthi ngicule. Those will cost us. Ne. Inqindi bakithi. Cela inqindi because unoni unokuzizwa amandla nje. Umlilo wamaphepha unokuvuka umlilo wamaphepha unoni. Umlilo wethishu kahle nje. Once off. Nalo. Thank you Spuda. Yilo leli. Thank you Spuda. Thank you very much. Oh. Uyayibona lento yabo. Hey, bayizamile lokho. Uyizamile unoni. Zange imhambele kahle. Namanje uyazi ukuthi angeke imhambele kahle.
I thought we're not gonna snap a quiet game. Thank you,
Kakhulu.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you, PJ, D Blois, Enigma, also Shudu.
Buda.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Spuda. Ngiyabancangela ke Spuda ngicela ubanike umsebenzi nanoma kungekho ama-CV yabona because mhlawumbe kukhona inkinga ka-matric yabona like so ngicela ubanike
Asinawo matric nkosi yami.
yayibona
Hayibo.
so uzonenzela iplan uSpuda uzonenzela iplan ngizongena uyophethe
Lokho singasebenzi kanje.
Guys,
man
this also
thinte yena nizongena.
have a good night, Paul. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. W level ups. Thank you so
La
much.
sathole nechance yokubonga bavele basifuqa ngegame ebusweni.
Akumini uThabang.
Bavele bathi play game besothi usabheka ama-MVP bathi play game. Ujahele uThabang ngoba uyashaywa nje ayikho into ajahele ukuyenza.
Guys, can you please all double tap, please, before Kulu check my bus?
And ngize ngilide la Thabang angifuni lento yakho ukuthi usondele la uphefumulela imic.
Guys, can you please have Andros? Ah, man. Sonia, man. Thank you. No good things for that.
Dogs. Guys, can you please get one?
Nanoma la singafaka isibhakela. Sikhaphe kamnandi ihambe nesibhakela. Mane kuthuleke nje. Sebakhuluma isikhathi eside sengize ngicikile.
Abo kamudlalani sesiqedile thina. Dlalani mphisi.
Sengiqedile. Hawu. Khane sisula umjuluko nina seniqedile. Abaka uyasikhululekisa. Ngiyayazi reverse psychology. Ngiyayazi.
What reverse psychology? Umuntu odlala naye, I'm telling you, they sent their first gift like now. How? Ithini edlala kanjalo?
No esnaka
Mara
sanamacoin.
nepitolo yathabanga ngeke mina guys siyangicasula manje yo.
No esnaka sanamacoin Nkosi yami.
Manje Thabang badubule bani la?
Thabanga.
Nayi booster guys.
Ay ngasephelile but yazi right?
Nashland. Abasanalutho baphelele.
Abo bani?
Pheliani.
Hayi thina
Pheliani.
ibhlungu phela letho noNkulunkulu akaxolele masolo kwathi nisuppressa so.
Make it safe. Hambi MVP. Au. Make it safe. No, we all know. We know how it is, Kamuhau. But one is gonna stay on a life for like.
Thank you Sbuda. Angazi bakhulumelani. How dare you talk? How dare you talk? Banomona Sbuda. Ake yabona mase ubaqashile neSibuda. Mele ubathume ubayuze lapha emsebenzini ubathume strong. Unoni. Uthabanga. Nalento yakhe le angizwisisi. I don't like it. Indezela suppressa. Thank you Sbuda. No, Timukje. We all know. I don't know what you know what. Mara, I don't think you know what I know. Painful food like it's a rhetorical question. Yeah, basho kanjalo. Kushifundiswa. Usifundiswa wena. Kushifundiswa.
Wow. Okay. Takbongela put.
Siyabonga. Njabula, thank you so much, Paul. Thank you, Pablo. PJ.
Thank you,
Wasa,
Sbuda. Thank you very much, Sbuda.
Thank you so
Kay,
much.
thank you. Kay, uphethe ama-power-ups and nails and Lirato. Mina guys nangazi nebongwayo lapho. Yini what are you thinking?
Mntana
Khona nami umuntu basithi.
uyabongwa. Ubongo ngani.
Thabang.
Lo kuncane sithola khona siyabonga.
Thabang kodwa Nkosi yami. Thabang ngiyazi kuba ngathi awukho la ekhamereni.
Guys, this all the time. Come on, let's go now.
Thank you so much.
Majus, how are you thinking about how
Thank you. Thank you so much for the likes, nonchalant.
In your commands.
That's all the
And the guys, it's times 3.
Don't worry, I'm gonna respect the game and I'm so true.
Sbuda, thank you. Thank you very much. Swan, lithi shani libonile aliveli lapho kini. Hey, belidlula la. Sbuda. Hey. Khulunywa ngebonus ka December. Kuyadlala. Thank you K. Thank you Nels. Times 3. Gekho weak. Thabang lalela. There's no space for weakness here. Yes. Sbuda gekho weak. thula ukhale makungabe kuyakhaleka yinoise engayitolerate yokukhala kwakho le yabo fufu angifuni ukuyizwa yenza njalo
Awuhambi yini kanti kuyolanda amanzi?
yenza njalo guys why ningamfollow niyabuza nisabuza guys follow Sibuda another rose another one rose and then ngihambe ngiyokha amanzi another one rose apart from yebo thank you S nathabanga wena manje wenza ngathi awuboni ukuthi kwenzakalani lokho uyajeqeza ubheka lena le
Adala lo mfana yesisi. Thank you again, and that level of congratulations of the level up. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
hey man
This is so unbelievable. Hey baba, cela ubuye fast. Sorry, we'll check my bus, so come back right now. Yeka manzi lapho. Thabang. After the end, yes. Hey, thula, ngisakhuluma sebuya.
how
Ukuzikhuluma no, ngithe buya. Oqala chama lapho. Thank you so much, Siso. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. Thabang. After the game shares, oh my fucking day. Thabang, after the game uphuma yes phazamisa. Niklala we. Yeah, ngithe buya. How yini?
how ngiyayibona ke how uthe ngithulelani kanti noni yini lo ngibizela yona ukuze manje ngithatha isikhathi sakho ngibe lana ngiyenza into right thank you Sibuda uthini wena noni kahle unokuqhilaza uThabang la ngoba wena uyafana noThabang nendlela ongibheka ngayo uvala amehlo close your eyes because ngihamba kakhulu manje ngihamba kakhulu semele ngihanyweke manje mina semele ngihameke you are summoning me thank you S thank you Sibuda Sibuda inkosi Sibuda king thank you K yeah ekuthuleke kamnandi man sikhalisa ngihambile man bekune noise nyana bekungena order I didn't like that.
Lucia, I'm sorry I couldn't talk. It's a quiet game, okay? Thank you so much, Lucia. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Are you good?
Thank you so much, please. Paul, thank you so much. Thank you, Enigma Shuli Vanilla.
Thank you, Sibuda.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you, Sibuda. Thank you, Nels. Thank you, Kay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And Tepile, I see you. Bang palela.
I'm also good, Lucia.
Bang palela.
I'm very good.
Noni. Uthi S uzokudlalela after ibonus yakhe enye. Mfollow.
Uthola ngebirthday yakho noma uyithola nini?
Guys, can you all please type that? Guys, please
ngokusho
tap on
kimi
the
uthi uhleza
screen.
apho nasi.
Nah, Paul, you can go there definitely. But one thing, if you wanna recharge via the website. But you can
Every
go there
week.
because
Every week.
Every week. Today, tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, let me follow him back.
Network.
I'm gonna follow him when I see the vision. Hi man, I got my bubbles, see right? So Paul, you can go that side, please do. Please.
Guys, can you all please tap on the screen, guys? Let's all
I
tap on the
already
screen.
appreciate it if you want.
Everybody, guys, please tap.
Oh man, what is it? Jade, man.
Thank you so much for the likes, guys. Let's all tap on the screen, guys. Bongani. Bongani, welcome.
Okay,
How
guys,
are you?
this side we tap, okay? Hey, when Avalame, here is a gift to the day. How cool, man. Hey.
Okulbaloba.
Jangulo, thank you for the love yous.
Guys, can you please activate the speed challenge? Guys, Rina, thank you so much for tapping. Thank you. We need 10 roses, guys.
You post one thing on WhatsApp stories, everyone is calling. Oh, Noni. Hey,
Guys, 10
hey.
roses or
Thank
1
you so
rosa.
much.
Guys, 10 roses,
10
please.
9 more roses, guys. A
10
rosa.
roses on one or
A
1
rosa,
rosa.
guys. One rosa, one rosa, one rosa. Anybody with a rosa, guys? Okay, guys.
1 rosa. Good people. Yes, thank you, K. Lifa Traders.
Thank you so much, Shuru. Yeah, I'm gonna ask this.
Guys, 1 rosa or 10 roses? Thank you so much, Lucia. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mala. Everything we give, guys, is times 2.
Mukanuka,
everybody.
muhawungeke shame. Gravini.
Yo.
Smoother. Smoother. Thank you, Smoother. Thank you. Nisi nenzani ngale glove lena ngakayibona ipurpose yalo. Okay. Thank you, Smoother. Lindlu. Lithi lindlu. Idlulile nangapha baliphuza balidakwa nale glove. Thank you. Thank you, Smoother. Yithi indlu ayithuli indlu. Akuthuleke. And angithandi into engayithandi kakhulu mina solo ngiqalile ukufika la. The way ulophu uthabanga aloka aphefumula ngakhona. I don't like how you breathe. Thank you. Sibuda. Asimshaye, simshayele vele ukuthi ay Yeah, no ni man. Hey. Sibuda angeke simcashe uNoni. Because angeke akhona ukuqasheka ufaka amathathu esandleni. Angeke sikhona. It's unprofessional. Thula ungarola amehlo ngizokuvalisa lawo mehlo. Cabanga ulakhi ngisakuvulisa amehlo. Wena uyilo ngivalisa amehlo bengilo ngitshontsha mina ukubheka la. Ay mara yazi Thabanga yazi into engikuzwela yona ibhlungu. Like ngiyakufila. Ngaphakathi. Akukho mnandi. Leyo ncu ubanga umsindo. Uyabona uNoni uthule kamnandi kanjani? Bopha. Ingathi usethembeni nje nyana, hayi likho ithemba. Khohlo kuthuleke la. Thuleke. Hayi ngeke. Hey. Amara laba kuzwa. Kuze. Uthabanga Nkosi yami.
Oh, thank you so much.
Uthabanga.
What was that gift?
Sekulate.
Lost the umbrella, what right?
Paul, thank you so
Cabanga
much.
kwakho
God
take
bless
chance
you, brother. Thank you
thank
so
you
much,
Sibula.
Paul. Thank you.
This is so sweet.
Thanks,
W
Sibula.
Paul,
Thank
baby,
you.
come
Okay, thank
on.
you.
Hi, Bokal.
Newspaper
Thank you
traders,
so
thank
much,
Thank
you.
you so
Nina.
much,
Yes, thank you.
Thank you
Nima.
so
Thank you,
much.
Shuri. Thank you,
Oh,
Kosa.
he's from your side,
Oh,
Noni.
thank you so Yeah, his daughter's been playing for
Oh,
me.
Paul, thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so
right,
much.
please.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Mara, okay, like
Thank
why
you.
ngayenzanga ukuthi sithule?
No,
Our
I don't know. Does
Hi, Bo. It's okay. We won. It's fine. Paul, you got a glove. Lucia, you got a miss. Thank you so much, guys.
Hey man, what do you think of the
Thank you. Thank you so much, Paul.
Guys, that's all that we have. Shout out to
Thank you
Paul.
very much. Oh,
And Ken negative why Belegas.
thank you so much,
He's
Paul.
too kind.
Thank you. Thank you.
He's too kind.
Thank you very much. Much
Alright,
appreciated.
Tepan.
Thank you. Guys, now we've got a
Okay, how many gloves
the
do you
first
still?
group that
Can
you
you do
go
a
to
glove
drop,
check?
guys,
Because
is
I feel
part
like
two.
man, there's too many
The
gloves
first
that
group
are
that you're going
out.
to drop is time. So guys, please let's
How
tap
many
on the
gloves do
screen,
you
okay?
have?
Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen,
Thank you
guys.
so much, Tepan.
The first gift is times 2, everybody. Thank you so much, Lucia. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That was the last one.
Easy.
Oh,
The
so how
last
many
glove.
gloves do you have?
Easy,
Enigma, how
Zamini
many
manager.
gloves do you have?
Thank you so much, guys. Rina, thank you so much for the likes. Was that the last glove? Okay, no need to chat me. Thank you so much, guys. Let's just on tapping, okay? Let's just we've got the bonus mission, guys. We have to activate. We've got a bonus mission,
Kanti
guys.
yakwazi ukukhuluma Thabang?
Hey, shut up! I'm not
Tabang.
talking to you. I'm talking to the people that are here.
Tabang, Paul Salap. Okay, never
No,
mind
Hambi.
this side. Paul, do you know how to check for a glove?
Oh, Hambi, like,
Let me explain.
okay, guys, we need 10 roses.
No, he's this one.
15 points.
On the thing in it, on the gifting, you see where the gifts are at
Can
the
you please get
bottom.
10
There's
roses, guys?
exclusive, and then you swipe a bit. There's a small backpack. Let me mute the tabang. You see on the gates, at the bottom, there's like the amount of coins you have, and then right next to it, there is a backpack.
MRT.
Inside, when you click there, you're gonna see
Thank you so
power
much,
ups that you
guys.
have.
Spenda ngani manje ku-tweet?
Two more, guys. Thank you so much,
MRT.
Lucia.
What
Two
for,
more,
my guy?
guys.
Thank you, Kay.
Thank you so much,
Guys, can I
Lucia.
please have 10
One
roses?
more.
Oh, are the treasure boxes not
Thank
working?
you.
I don't know. Let me know. I can send goodie bags if the treasure boxes are not working. Yeah, at the
Thank you so
bottom, you
much,
need to
guys.
swipe right a bit, and then thank you so much. Oh,
Guys, we have a double. Everything we give this times 2 right now, guys.
also, don't you have any glove? You
Everything we give this times 2.
guys, who has a glove? Susan has a glove.
Lucia! Thank you so much,
Je,
Lucia.
masingakathuli.
Thank you. Lucia! Boom! Guys, let's go, guys. Times 2. We are so close.
Not
Forget to be
enough.
quiet.
Angina-Twitter
Times 2,
mina.
guys. Thank you so much, Lucia.
Angina-Twitter miss.
It's
Thank
not
you very
enough.
much. Thank you so much. Guys, everything we give this times 2. Guys, times 2, everybody.
Talk speed,
Everything we
Nanja.
give to other.
Hey.
Okay, guys, we've got the glove. Let's go on the glove, guys. Everybody, guys, on the
Hey.
glove. On the
Voila.
glove, guys. On the glove. Guys, everybody, guys, let's go. Ooh! Paul!
Wow. Wena.
You're making noise. Don't say wow. If there's somebody who
Mina,
should
can I
at
talk,
least
eh?
say wow, it's Noni, not you.
Wow.
Why are you talking about my coins? If there's somebody who can say wow, it's Noni, not you. Paul, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lucia. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So manja abo S babe. Jack Mabaz. Ngicela ukuthi ungayenzi kanje. Hey, uphefumula ifone wena. Uphefumula ifone. Ngicela ungasondeli efonini. Oh, it's Buddha, thank you so much. Hey, it's Shudu. Thank you so much, Shudu. Thank you so much. I'm telling you. She said I must quit TikTok, and I was considering to quit TikTok. I don't want to lie. I wanted to quit. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Paul, thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Lucia, thank you very, very much. God bless you, Mama. Thank you. I really appreciate it, okay? Thank you so much. This is not a sniping game, Kamu. Thank you so much, Paul. May God bless you. Thank you so much. We need people like you in this world, kind people. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
We're
Much
kind people.
appreciated.
After image, mina ngabe usitshela nonsense now.
Kuze
Thank you.
yazi nako ke es kuzathola ichance yazi ngithi ngiyamjabulela kafuni nix simjabule kunini phela lokho simthulisa
Ujabulelani wena?
Thank you so much, Tilani.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Asad.
Ujabulelani
Tabang,
manje?
Shudum,
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
And you
you.
got another glove, Lucia. Thank you so much for the hammer. Thank you so much, Rina. Candice, Shudu, thank you. Thank you so much, guys.
Yes. You see, even though Shud is coming to drop a heart me, yeah, but I'm nice.
To think it's like I was considering quit TikTok very much to quit TikTok. I wanted to
You've come too far, bruh.
Hashem
You've come
we'll
too
crush
far.
you
There's no point in like.
welcome. Thank you so much, guys.
Oh.
Thank you, guys. Let's all tap
You've
on
come
the
too
screen.
far
Okay?
to wait. Also, the
Let's all
energy,
tap on
man.
the screen. First gift this times two.
Yeah, well, Paul. Hey! Let's give this time with Ryan. How you know it's not Ryan? Like Bobby. Don't be. How are you? Guys, can you please double
Thank
tap
you so
our
much,
button,
Kay.
please? Hey.
Kay with the roses. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
You guys know that I don't like it.
Whoa.
Oh, shut the fuck up. It's fine. Upolo sebuyides. But the
Yeah,
energy
Bob.
must stay, and you must stay
Yeah,
on
Bob.
TikTok. Kamu uSin manje uzela uhlungini oskiphani.
Tabang, you must stay on TikTok.
Yay! Ka. What's this? Oh, there's a comfort. I'm good, don't be. I haven't seen you in a long time. Guys, can you please all double tap, please, while these two are still losing? Well, Paul, thank you so much. And thank you for watching this for Tabang. I appreciate you. God bless you. God bless you. Imino phansi, peace sign. Peace yini manje yini. Ngikopi into mzeli mase ngizobeka imino yeni la kuthini. Hawu, vala hawu. Kulanje.
Guys, one more rose, guys.
But Tabang, yini inkinga yakho? Mawuthona matric usho ukuthi nokufunda ke awukwazi nalokuthiwa masethiwa thula Thabang thula I understand noma le hela nyakho leyisaze engqondo yakho.
Yes Sbuda. Thank you Sbuda. Uthini wena noni? Yabona noni yazi uyakhuluma. Yazi uyakhuluma inonsense wena kahle wena. You speak a lot of dustbin. You speak nyashu you wena. You. Chu ngci Thabang. Imncui ebuya play. Thank you Sbuda. Thank you Zinhle. Thank you very much Sbuda.
Hey level up hey shut the fuck up hey danko poli hey. Hey level up hey shut the yeah danko mabe after this one doctor yethula. Count on 7 wasn't the number wena. It's the S, man. That's what's pissing off Paul. You keep on saying S. Not now. What's up? You wanna see S? I can show you S. I've been gaining. I got bumps now. Come here, say. Come. Go phela masikhuluma nami phela mami. S. Yey. Ngizosiveza phela. Masuvala amehlo futhi kuba kuthiwa ngayi-business abantu abadala. ngosukusimela kwamakhoina ami namacinci nje kathi ungawakhipha ngicasule. Jack Mabaso. Hey, Thabang shame. Usizakele yazi. Bona i-fragment i-safe yabona nje njengokungathi usukayolala manje ungalala in peace. Ungasho ukuthi hayiwe guys ngithanda ama-fireworks mina izolo ngajabula ngathola le gift engayazi kwaba khona imvula ne-umbrella. Ayingeke bazoba right, i-quiet game bazoba strong. They know the rules. There are no rules. We don't hold back. Angithi Thabang.
Awuthule lapho. Sibuda. Akathule lo ntombazane. Uthi ufuna ukuveza indunu. Bona kulindeni sonke lesikhathi. Now, kuyadliwa ekini lo. Kuyadliwa ekini lo. Kabi ngisabuza kuyadliwa ekini lo. Ayithaba Nkosi yami, yazi into ohawula yona. Like ngikuzwela ubhlungu. Thank you, Sibuda. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good night siyahamba. Ngokutshela futhi good night loyo usiyahamba.
Hey!
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Masha. Thank you so much, my love. Masha, thank you so much.
I don't know. I'll try my
Oh,
my
no,
language.
thank you so much.
I would
my
never
love.
show my bums to relax.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Shudu.
No, guys, mina ngiyachipsa manje ne.
Namanga bathe
Ngiyatshela
good night.
ngiyavula ngo11 futhi.
Makadla leyo kugcina. Sibone ukuthi abashanga ukuthi good night na.
Bona ukuthi abaleke
Yeah.
impela yini because
For sure yabaleka because bathi good night.
Hayi baleke.
Ngiyawazi ukuthi Thabang zonke siyawazi good night.
For sure yabaleka because bathi good night.
Wena Thabo ke Thaba wena ngeke ungihlule ke ngisho nanoma kungayenzakalani. Ngisho nanoma kungaba yi1 la kuthi
Bro,
zero.
first of all, thank you so much for the support that you've shown me. And like, honestly, W level up, like level 18.
Guys, please tap
Level
on this
18.
guys.
Thank you, Sibuda.
Cindy Letty, welcome.
You probably don't know what that means, but God, that's a lot. Level 18, one day. In fact, in a matter of hours.
Yeah.
Levels are high, guys. Can we please all double tap?
Okay. After magahamba ne ahamba naye. Mina ngizochief mabahamba basala bayi2. Diding. Yayibona diding.
Yeah, manje.
Sikhuluma ilanguage yethu ukuthi singaninganisizwa. Uyathanda uku-eavesdropper.
The
Eavesdropping.
way we call is the call that's nena call us then down. After this game, I'm going to play someone else.
Siyazi ukuthi sidiscussa ngani lami. Noni, asimdlule fast kuzothuleka. Yo.
It takes others a whole year to say. Yeah, bro. I mean, it took me like I don't know how many months to get to level 18. Hours.
Thank you, Tanya Senzile.
It's Paul. If only you knew what a gift gallery was, yes, you'd hear the selfish woman coming out of me right now. But hey, say what next week.
Yeah, what times 3? What time 3K? Mighty time 3 ulthumele. In the K.
Hey. Okay, up S.
Sesibangabangeni secrowding. Ubhekile, observing.
Thank you so much. Dimpo, thank you so much for the likes. Thank you very much. How are you?
Hi, Dineo Fraser.
Nah, K.
Thank you so much for the roses. They said happy.
Awuthubule lapha ekilavi. K. Sinhle, thank you. K. Are you okay?
Oh, my gift is not even showing. Thank you so
Buddha.
much, Paul. Ah,
Thank you,
thank
Spuda.
you, thank you, thank you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, Spuda. Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Spuda. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ish, no need. Nkosi yami. Thank you, Spuda. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kuthulekile ke manje sekumnandi la.
Lama glove, lama. Kamu, sorry, can you please, if you're gonna still play, can you please play? No glove, ne? Next one, that's now my glove.
Kumonja ke. Hayi. Yes. Yes. Yes, asibabukele phela sibasaba. Hey. Oh, Nkosi yami. Sasho silifaka ke. Thank you, Spuda. Thank you.
No, the next game,
Spuda.
if you're still playing, the next game, okay, I'm calling a no glove.
No club. Thank you very much, Spuda NK. Thank you, Spuda. Ungithwele kanje, ungibeke la emhlanje. Ungibambe so. Uyangihudula nginayinyawo. Ungibambile. I-sign language yeni yarasa lapho. Khona umbono ninawo botata. Sizonibeka namhlanje sangcwaba emakhazini.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you, Lisa. Thank you,
guys.
Shuli. Thank you,
Thank you.
awesome.
Buda, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga guys, ngiyabonga. Okay, thank you. Thank you Spuda. Thank you Kate, thank you Zinhle. No
Thank you so much,
Sipho, Denos.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ngizoze ngivule like ngo-11. Ngo-11
Paul, can you please
ngivule ngo-11.